Welcome back to Brain Sprout Channel, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that often goes unnoticed: the hidden codes behind the apps we use every day. Have you ever wondered what makes your favorite applications tick? Let's explore the intricate world of app coding and how it shapes our digital experiences. Every app you download is built on a foundation of code, a language that communicates instructions to your device. This code is not just a jumble of letters and numbers, it's a carefully crafted set of commands that dictate how the app behaves, how it interacts with your device, and how it connects with other services. Understanding this hidden code can give you a new appreciation for the technology that powers our daily lives. At the core of most apps is a programming language. Popular languages like Java, Swift, and Python each have their unique strengths and are chosen based on the app's requirements. For instance, Java is widely used for Android apps, while Swift is the go-to for iOS applications. These languages allow developers to create everything from simple calculators to complex social media platforms. But it's not just about the language, it's also about the frameworks and libraries that developers use. Frameworks like React Native or Flutter enable developers to build cross-platform apps, meaning they can run on both Android and iOS without needing to write separate code for each. This not only saves time, but also ensures a more consistent user experience across devices. Now, let's talk about the hidden codes that enhance functionality. Behind the scenes, APIs application programming interfaces play a crucial role. APIs allow different software systems to communicate with each other. For example, when you use a weather app, it pulls data from a weather service through an API. This seamless integration is what makes our apps so powerful and user-friendly. Moreover, many apps utilize algorithms to personalize your experience. These algorithms analyze your behavior and preferences, tailoring content and recommendations just for you. This is why your streaming service knows exactly what shows you might like, or why your shopping app suggests items based on your previous purchases. It's all about creating a more engaging and relevant experience. As we peel back the layers of app development, it's clear that there's so much more than meets the eye. The hidden codes and technologies behind our favorite apps are what make them not just functional, but also enjoyable to use. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the hidden world of app coding. I hope you found this insight into technology as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more tech insights and updates. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.